mirror check. Keeping my tire and tarmac with the car in front. Mirror check for the motorbike cyclist. Position myself to the left hand lane now. It's gone red now, so mirror and slow down. Just as you pass this traffic light, there is a bus stop and a bus stand. Sometimes bus is parked up there, like they're on a break or something. Just be mindful when you're passing them. There's a bus stop also. Scanning the mirrors for the motorbike cyclist. Screen mirror check. Change of speed is coming up to 40 miles per hour. So it's 40 now. Rumford Road, 40 miles per hour. It's a downhill, make sure you have good control on your speed. 37, 38 miles per hour. Turning right there. 39. Traffic light is red at the moment. Maintain my speed of the road. It's green at the moment, but it's gonna change back to red. So mirror check and slow down. Stop. Just scan your motorbike cyclists around you. It's green, but there is pedestrian on the road. Please just be very careful of that. It's 40 miles per hour. Rumford Road. Keep in mind the part 2 test is for 1 hour, but it can go sometime more than 1 hour. Traffic light is red. I'm going to check and scan my mirrors, slow down. Still 40 miles per hour. And the sign's telling the car road is getting into the narrow towards left side. Scan my mirrors. Getting into the single file. Sign of entering into the single carriageway. Mirror check, still 40 miles per hour. It's a downhill, and just maintain your speed as a downhill. So 40 miles, but further down I can see is 30 miles per hour. So I'm going to reduce my speed to 29 miles per hour. This is 30, entering into 30 miles per hour. And they say 30 miles, 30 miles. Now this is roughly maybe 500 yards length of the road. People do fail here. They creep up the speed from 30 to 34, 35, 32. So I'm going to maintain 29 miles per hour. And they say it's roundabout, take the second exit. Scan the road right hand side as traffic can come from the right side. Second exit straight here. So I'm going to position myself on the right hand. It's still 30 miles per hour, 29 miles per hour still. The 40 is coming up, so I'm going to position to the right hand side. Right is clear, entering into 40 miles per hour, and I'm going to make it progress. So this is the whalebone lane. So they will ask you to pull up left here and move off. So you pull up left at the safe place on the left side, 39 miles per hour. So whalebone lane, 40 miles at the moment. So you see, so double yellow line coming up. So make sure don't pull up on double yellow line. So there's a after double yellow, there's a space there also on the left side. Again double yellow line, and the sign coming up to 30 miles per hour. So here also you can pull up left at the same place. So 30 miles here. I'm going to scan my mirrors and position myself to speed myself to 29 miles per hour, and it's double yellow line on the left side. So 29 miles per hour. Approaching a roundabout, taking the third exit, which is straight ahead. Approaching a roundabout, third exit. So roundabout is clear from the right side. I'm going to enter into the inner circle. First exit, second exit. So mirror signal now left, and I'm going to go here. Signal off. So whalebone lane still 30 miles per hour. Bus is there at the bus stop or bus stand. Scan my mirrors, no signal required. And I'm going to scan my mirrors, come back left here. It's a 30-mile road. Traffic light is red. I'm going to slow down and stop at my first solid line. I'm going to pull my handbrake up. No motorbike cyclists around me. It's green for me now. It's 30-mile road, whalebone lane. Traffic light is, pedestrian crossing is green. McDonald's on the left side. 30-mile road. Pinch Point, Refuge Island. Cycle on my left. Whalebone lane, 30 miles per hour. My speed is 29 miles per hour. Miles per hour. Miles per hour. Whalebone lane. At the second set of traffic light, turn right. This is the first one here. It's green. His chance is going to change back to red. So I'm going to scan my mirror off the gas here. It's green. I'm going to clear it. So in the central direction, the change of speed is here. 50 miles per hour. I can see. I'm going to mirror signal right now. Position to the right hand lane, which is right turning only. I can cancel signal also. It's right turning lane only. Keep it tire and tarmac. So I already entered into 50 miles per hour road. So Whalebone lane north towards A12 Eastern Avenue, towards central London. So no motorbike cyclists at the moment, but there's a bike behind me. Let's see where they're going to filter. Cyclists also. I'm sitting on the arrow. I can give signal also. If it remain right signal on, there's no problem. So I'm the second car. I'm gonna go behind this car and in position into the junction. Looking through the car, the traffic flow, and I'm gonna stop here. That's my gap here. I'm entering into 50 miles per hour road. Mirror check again, and 50 miles per hour. This car is a little bit slower. I'm gonna mirror check, change the lane, and if I can overtake. If not, I'm gonna come back to left side. 49 miles per hour. Just 50 miles per hour. I can see the traffic flow is a little bit heavy, so I'm gonna change my lane here to the left side. And slow down now. Mirror check and slow down. If they're using sat nav, this might be the end of the sat nav or independent driving. At the main traffic light, you'll be turning left towards Goodmayes. I can see the tire and tarmac. It's Eastern Avenue 812 towards central London. But at next traffic light, which is 500 yards from here, we'll be turning left. Scanning the mirrors for the motorbike cyclist and keeping a tire and tarmac with the car in front. So next traffic light coming up to 430 yards now. Try to read the signboard on the left hand side which says Goodmayes 7 Kings. Towards left. B177 road number. You say Goodmayes, says King George, Goodmayes, Chedwell on the left now. I'm gonna pull my hand back up into neutral. Relax my pedal. So person behind don't get dazzled. So my brake is off. Into the gear, mirror check and move the car. I'm gonna mirror signal left now. Slow down the car here. If I have space to go left, I'm gonna filter into the filter lane. So crossings, I'm gonna stop before it. And entering into 30 mile road. Traffic is a little bit heavy on the right side. That's where the car is on the in front. Red is not moving. So that red car has a gap now. I scan the right is still clear for me. I'm entering into 30 mile road. And I'm going to stop the car here at the before the yellow box and enter into the barley lane. So now there's a police car, bus. I'm going to stay here. Entering into the barley lane, I'm going to stay here. There's a yellow box in front of you. clear from the front for me. Pearson crossing is green. Barley Lane 30 miles per hour. This is the road they go back to test center and they finish the test back there. Miles per hour maximum. So I can see the bus stop and the yellow beacons that been uncontrolled crossings. I check my mirrors already, see the traffic behind and see the crossing is clear for me. I'm gonna scan my mirrors. Bus is still giving the left indicator on. I'm going to scan the mirrors around the bus and I'm going to scan the mirrors, come back left. I'm going to pull up left here. This is the way go down to the road there, to the green lane, and that's what they're going to finish the test. Thank you very much, guys. Hope that helpful for you. This is one of the test route for Goodmayes Part 2. Thank you for watching.